Breaking news. Date and location: June 3, 2025, near Koma, in North Darfur, Sudan. Incident: a 15-truck UN convoy delivering life-saving food and nutrition supplies to famine-hit Al-Fashir was attacked, resulting in 5 deaths and several injuries. Background: the convoy had traveled over 1,800 kilometers from Port Sudan. Access negotiations were ongoing at the time of the attack. Response: the UN agencies UNICEF and WFP condemned the attack, stressing it violates international humanitarian law, and called for an urgent investigation. Responsibility claims. Rapid Support Forces RSF accused the Sudanese army of launching a drone strike on the convoy. Sudanese government accuses the RSF of carrying out the attack to prevent aid from reaching civilians in Al-Fashir. Wider context. The attack highlights the severe humanitarian crisis in Al-Fashir, where hundreds of thousands are facing starvation. Escalating violence and attacks on humanitarian operations have compounded the crisis, with repeated incidents of targeting aid deliveries. Analysis. Humanitarian impact. The destruction of supplies and loss of life exacerbate an already dire food insecurity crisis. Many families and children in Al-Fashir are at risk of starvation. Legal and moral implications. Attacking aid convoys is a breach of international humanitarian law, reflecting the complexities and disregard for civilian protections in the Sudanese conflict. Accountability and investigation. Determining responsibility for this attack is critical to ensuring future humanitarian access and preventing further violations. Diplomatic and regional dynamics. The conflicting narratives from the Sudanese Army and RSF underscore the ongoing power struggle, complicating relief efforts and negotiations.